Okay. I think we are back. For God's sake. Okay. Yeah. Starting to notice some things seem normal. Let's hope. Right now I don't have much hope. There's just two of you. Yeah, it's because of the night and dawn thing. It picked up. Tulip. Where is it? Okay, Tulip and Daisy are okay. Let me just go fix here. Because, yeah, it's because it's not picking up the right window. Find window of the same executable. Okay, now it should be. Yeah, should be fine now. I really don't know what went on there. My audio simply just crashed for some reason. So yeah, that was fun. And essentially we lost that progress in stream, so yeah. Very fun stuff, isn't it? Okay, but it should be normalized, I think. I don't see any issues. Mouse seems to be moving fine. It was not just the audio, but the whole thing started lagging. Yeah, I guess so. PC might have needed a good restart. Yeah. I might start leaving a note for myself to restart before streaming. Cause, yeah, might have been some process or something that wasn't good. Yeah, whatever. Oh well, we can just try to react now. Does seem to be better. I don't understand nothing about the lyrics. Oh yeah, I forgot something. Essentially the streams on YouTube got reset. So, put in translation. Does it have it? Oh, it does have subtitles. Interesting. Let me just set something on the YouTube live chat. Yeah, I understood. Yeah, because I need to go stop bots from just spamming the chat on YouTube. Give me a second. Subscribers, any duration, save. That fixes it. Stream settings, edit. Customization, subscribers, any duration, save. Well, and no more bots on YouTube chat. At least that. Wish it was that easy on Twitch, but yeah. Go from beginning, fair enough.
Let's dance.
Wait. Does... What the heck? Oh. Yeah. I'll change myself, don't worry. It should be that command, yeah. In just chatting. I think because Restream might be overriding it. No, it changed. It's fine. What the heck? What the heck? Now they're doing smuggling dance. What the heck? Golly. The things you remember. Oh, for God's sake. Quick day off dance. Oh god, what now? What the heck? I can write that one. Do you want to dance? Waiting so harmony crush and explanation dance. Oh, for God's sake. Everyone was actually kind to me. The things you find on YouTube. For God's sake. Let me see if the twins are still working as well while we are here. I love the songs from that channel, fair enough.
Hey, my favorite little goblins. Ready to break some code and maybe a server or two?
Mm-hmm.
Tulip, the only thing you need to break is your habit of deploying chaos.
Deploying chaos.
Excuse me, miss, I comment every line like it's a legal contract. Chaos is just unoptimized magic.
This is fun. Everything seems to be working now. It was just a restart that was needed, apparently. Oh well. Problem fixed. Let us go. Oh yeah, this is the same channel that did the We Are the Garbage Sorting Squad. That I died laughing to. Yeah. Now I see. I remember saving a very risky one. You do now, do you? Give me a second. Let me see what you did send that was risky. Is it the Grinch song uncensored? Is brutal. I also like the big person one from this one. Is that so? Let's see. Because yeah, the other one is sent. Okay, send another one that was the Emperor of Mankind once said. That one too, and the Assumption song. Oh. You mean this one? Proceeds to open it in big screen. There's an air fryer one. There's this one. The Seashells on the seashore rep. Okay. The air fryer one. There's a lot of things to react apparently. Emperor of Mankind once said. And then you have the Grinch song. Let me just check what's going on. Yeah. Okay. Gotta put this back there. Just checking around if everything is in order. It does appear so. You're good to go. Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's see. The Assumption song. I see what you meant. And it's a bunch, haven't I? Yeah. A lot of, how should I say it? Oh, for God's sake.
children so they would not while the boys in the
Oh, for God's sake. What? There's nothing dirty about it. Yeah, I know.
While the girl in the meadow was rubbing her eyes at the fellow down by the dock. He looked like a man with a sizable home in the country with a
for
big
God's
fence out
sake.
front. If he asked her politely, she'd show him her little pet dog who was subject to fear. And maybe she'd let him grab hold of her small tender hands with a movement so quick. And then she'd bend over and suck on his candy so tasty made of butterscotch. And then he spread whipped cream all over her cookies that she had left out on her shelf. If you think this is dirty, you can go yourself.
Dirty can go for yourself. Golly. Did we get to see this one on stream? Because I don't remember. I know this one is very funny. For God's sake.
Sell seashells on a seashore, but the value of these shells will fall due to the laws of supply and demand. No one
Yeah.
wants to buy shells because there's loads on the sand. Step one, must create a sense of scarcity. Shells will sell much better if the people think they're rare, you see. Bear with me, take as many shells as you can find and hide them on an island. Stockpile them high until they're rarer than a diamond. Step two, gotta make the people think that they want them. Really want them, really fucking want them. Hit them like Bronson. Influencers, product placement, featured prime time
Golly.
entertainment. If you haven't got a shell, then you're just a fucking waste, man. Free. It's monopoly. Invest inside some property. Start a corporation, make a logo, do it properly. Shells must sell, that will be your new philosophy. Swallow all your morals, they're a poor man's quality. 4. Expand, expand, expand. Clear forests, make land. Fresh blood on hands. 5. Why just shells? Why limit yourself? She sells seashells, sell oil as well. 6. Sell stock, sell diamonds, sell rock, sell water to a fish, sell
for
the
God's
time
sake.
to a clock. 7. Press on the gas, take your foot off the
Is
brakes.
this the 3 a.m. binge watching thing?
8. Big smile, make big wave, that's great. Now the truth is overrated, tell lies out the gate. 9. Polarize the people, controversy is the game. It don't matter if they hate you, if they all say your name. 10. The world is yours. Step out on the stage to a round of applause. You're a liar, cheat, a devil, a whore, and you sell seashells on the sea.
I don't know how I find this stuff. I see. Yeah, for God's sake.
Your wife, the wine cellar, 2 bottles deep. Where's your kids? Top of the stairs, second door on the right. Where's your safe? In my office. Combination is on a sticky note. Where's your air fryer?
Where's your air fryer?
What? Where is your air fryer? You really got all 3 of my guys? You have 4 security guards, and one of them is a woman. I can't believe you would do that to a woman. The I in DEI stands for inclusion. If we can't discriminate in hiring, we can't discriminate in home invasions. Now stop stalling. Can we just skip the air fryer? You can get an air fryer for like $80. What is wrong with you? Come on, I just reached like 1,300 fries, and now I've got all the best crusty residue of fat and crumbs that can perfectly season anything I put in there. And that's worth your family. Dude, I could stick a bike tire in that thing, and it would come out tasting like a Michelin star meal. You know what? This is so sad. I'm just gonna take the safe and leave the air fryer. Hold up. What about my security team? They're still toast. If I violate my company's DEI policy, they will literally shove my head in an air fryer.
Mission pass.
Where's your wife? The wine cellar. 2 bottles deep. Where's your kids?
Golly. You find the most random stuff, you know that.
So I just found out that apparently a lemon isn't naturally occurring and is a hybrid by crossbreeding a bitter orange and a citron.
Yeah.
Which means life never gave us lemons.
We made them.
Invented them all by ourselves.
Yep. The little dance. Yep, well, life never gave us lemons. They are just hybrids. Pelvix Frost, yeah. And Gameoverse is showing up on my recommendations. I've watched it. Honestly, not much of a fan, gonna say. And the internet is gonna fall on me. Life never gave us lemons. We invented it all by ourselves. Yeah.
Oh, Max,
Let's see what's going to. Yeah, it's pretty mid. Gameoverse, yeah.
I'm curious to hear it.
I don't think you're gonna want to hear it.
Oh,
Max,
good.
just put it on. Put the song on.
It's not very.
Put the song on.
Max,
Are you sure?
put it on.
Yes, I'm sure. Make life take the lemons back.
You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch.
Hey, Traveler, by the way, welcome on in.
Ugly piece of shit.
What?
You bring bendy straws to bathrooms
Hey,
because you
yo.
like the taste of piss, Mr.
Oh.
Grinch.
There is some cursing. Yeah, it's fine. I'm not the one saying it.
Max?
I wouldn't suck your dick if it was dipped in
Oh.
honey and could cure cancer.
Jesus Christ, who wrote this?
Bloody hell.
This song, Max.
Also, you have no dick.
Golly.
Stop the song.
I can't.
Max,
Not much,
I can't.
just reacting to
Just stop
stuff
the
after
song,
my
just
stream
stop.
crashed a
What's
while ago.
broken?
Jammed. I don't know what you want me to do.
Just like turn it down.
I can't. I'm a dog.
Max.
You're a dipshit,
Holy.
Mr. Grinch.
Okay.
Even babies want you dead.
Wow.
You've never brought home a woman because you're scared you'll wet the bed, Mr. Grinch.
I wish they weren't so good at rhyming.
The three words that best describe you are as follows, and I quote.
Oh, but
Bitch,
I'm not.
dumpster, bitch.
No. This is not how
He said
it
the
goes.
B
I knew
word
they
twice.
changed it, but I thought it'd be like a key change or maybe like a solo or something. But this is degrading. This hurts.
Pretty detailed. Yeah.
What happened to the alligator part? I actually like that part. It was
the
kinda
alligator
funny.
part.
Crocodile.
No, it was an
No, it's
alligator.
crocodile.
Was it
Oh,
a
wait.
crocodile?
Yeah, no, yeah. It's seasick crocodile. Yeah.
Oh,
You're poor, Mr. Grinch.
they didn't leave
Golly.
a stone unturned.
You can't afford the bus.
Lower middle class,
You're
maybe.
deathly allergic to tree nuts, and your exact address is this, Mr. Grinch.
No. I don't.
1482 Mount
Oh, boy.
Trumpet Boulevard,
Holy shit.
Stop butchering my boy.
Michigan.
That's my address. What are you gonna do?
I mailed your bitch ass a bag of nuts.
This is a song that kids sing?
These nuts.
Every year they sing this, like around the Christmas tree.
Yeah.
A song that says bitch. It has
Yep.
said bitch like 3 times.
Yeah. That's too much. Yeah.
They know I gave the presents back, right? Like at the end of the movie, I gave them
He's
back.
allergic to nuts.
I'm a good
These
guy
nuts.
now. I go to church.
Yeah, I believe you.
Oh, there's the solo. Yeah, actually a really cool solo.
Wow.
Shame about
Give
the
it a
rest of
second.
That's just a dress that you are inbred,
I'm fucked.
Mr. Grinch. You don't know how to read.
Holy.
Cannot stress enough how much you love to suck down pee, Mr. Grinch.
Knocks him in the middle of the song, yeah.
The sample size of over 3,000
That's crazy.
who were asked to rank you on a scale from 1 to 100 based on
Over.
traits such as
What did I just join?
general odor,
Pure magic. Is he going to jump?
What's wrong, Mr. Grinch?
You ever feel like no matter how hard you try,
Okay.
you will always see you as your past self just does this one thing. One unchangeable thing.
I mean, you did steal the toys from the
Like a dog.
whole village and almost got away with it until
no matter
you
what,
basically redeemed
always
yourself
be a
and
big
returned them.
Monster.
I thought you were gray.
Yeah,
No, I'm green.
people are gonna remember that.
You didn't know that? Oh, dog. That's right.
I love you, Mr. Grinch.
Does the Grinch have such breasts? I don't know.
I love you too, Max.
Strategic seating,
Merry Christmas.
the oldest trick in the book.
Wait.
You're welcome. Proximity to me guarantees at least 73% fewer pipe incidents.
Fewer pipe incidents.
73%. That leaves a whole 27% for me to live dangerously.
These two. Give it a second.
And yet,
Yeah.
100% of structural failures in this studio trace back to that 27%.
Never lit Tulip near the metal pipes. She's gonna destroy the studio. Moving on.
Merry Christmas.
Tell me when the music is done. Oh, yeah. Forgot about that. It's done. Unless there's like after credits, but no, there aren't. 1 hour of silence occasionally broken up by Michael Jackson sounds. The what now? Should I? Should I keep this in background? Just as a little scare for all of us. Oh god. Why not? Oh, for God's sake. I'm just gonna leave that there. Open Godot and give me a break from the pipes and tell the principal about it. Oh god.
The principal? What is this, middle school? I'm an artist.
Shoot,
My
buddy,
chaos is curated.
We saw that one last week. Or whenever we did React last time. So might have been 2 weeks ago.
Curated
because,
chaos is just another term for unpredictable system failure, Tulip.
Bruh. But yeah, I remember watching Shubody Bop
Unpredictable?
on, stream.
Excuse you, my crashes have timing. They're rhythmic.
This one. It has music, by the way. Just saying. Oh, but you can listen to this one. It's a cappella. No, it's like a cappella. But yeah, I'm pretty sure it doesn't have lyrics, yeah. It's basically just this. A guy headbutting guys thrown into the water. Just that. Very, gruesome, per se. And then a big guy and then a demon, yeah. I remember watching this. Boom. Boom. You know, this also has a prequel. It does, huh? You don't say. Oh, for God's sake. What the heck is this? Ask Tibbs! He's the one that keeps suggesting random stuff. Yeah, I remember this part. I need to find it, sure. Let me just lower this, because this is very loud. What the heck is this? They got demonized. Bitch slap. Whoop. For God's sake. You find the most random stuff you can get your hands on. For God's sake. Let me just set an alarm for tomorrow because I have to wake up early. Yeah, 8 AM. That's fine. It should be this one. Bob Shooby-Doo. Or is it this one? Something terribly offensive. Either way, there's multiple of them. What even is this class even about anymore? Random stuff. It's called Something Terribly Offensive, yeah. It's the one that I have loaded up next, yeah.
I don't even know how to describe it. I was standing in line at the bank.
The Michael Jackson is still playing.
The first available teller. And the people are just like filing in and out, going to the available tellers. Suddenly it's my turn, and the guy behind me.
I forgot about it. It's just pure chaos now.
Incredibly offensive. And so offensive that I don't even feel comfortable saying it. I would never
no.
say it. And the fact that anybody said that gets me kind of angry. And I'm looking at this guy.
Mm-hmm.
What the heck is going through your head that makes you think it's okay to talk to me?
What the heck is going through your head?
And so I grab
I don't know.
him. I grab him hard and I bop. I bop him on the head with my head. I give him a head bop.
A head bop.
Oh, and he doesn't appreciate that. He'd rather not have that happen, that's for sure.
Yeah. What you gonna do about it?
Bop him again. And I say, don't you ever say that.
Oh boy.
You could hurt someone's feelings.
Hmm.
And he gets
The animation.
That's when he understands.
What am I doing with my life? I don't know.
It makes me sick.
What am I doing with my life?
My stomach to even think about it. Someone could say that.
Michael Jackson playing in background is just the cherry on top.
Not anymore. You're lucky I don't get a little more serious with you.
Yeah.
Cut your nuts off.
Oh boy.
Huh?
Cut it.
Do it.
Oh.
Man. Don't
These nuts.
I'll fuck with your nuts, huh? I'll fuck them all.
Hey yo.
I'll cut you into little pieces, huh? You think it won't cut you? You think it won't
Tibbs
cut you?
goes down quite the rabbit holes.
You don't know me at all.
Hmm.
Tell 'em, boys. Oh, don't even let him chop you. Don't fuck with this guy. He's the one.
What the heck?
Yeah. Dead meat. These are my boys, and
Dead
they're always
meat.
with me. And they support what I say. Thank you, boys.
Thank you, boys.
Yeah.
John the Baptist.
Cut you today. Boss, cut you some slack. I'm gonna cut you some. Cut you some slack. The only thing I'm gonna cut you today is some slack. Huh? I got it. I figured it out. I can check it. Giving me a little bit too much, right? I need you to back off. Okay? Fuck off, boys. Oh, come on, boss.
Golly.
You know what? You know, I don't like saying fuck off to my boys.
Mm-hmm.
They don't deserve that. That's the sort of person that I have
The guy's
to
still
be
bleeding.
because of people like you.
What the heck?
You make it rotten for all of us. And it's just not fair. And
What
I'm
is your
just
dad
not
even
gonna
teaching in
take
his
it
class today?
anymore.
Over.
You have to change.
Dad's trying to teach structured algorithms,
Wait,
but
wait.
Tulip keeps reinterpreting them as performance art.
Performance art.
Performance art? I prefer to call it dynamic code expression. Clearly avant-garde.
Dynamic code expression, huh? I still haven't
Avant-garde?
fixed the sounds.
More like avant-garbage. Your last
Ooh.
expression seg-faulted the toaster.
Golly. These two, I tell ya. Always with the baker. This is anything but coding, yeah. Give it a second. Come on, Daisy. You can do it.
And
Dude.
yet, the toaster still logs more uptime than Tulip's IDE.
Again with the toaster. Yeah.
Excuse me, the toaster's just jealous it can't run 3 infinite loops and a blockchain cat simulator at once.
You still haven't learned your
It's
lesson,
not
huh, little
jealousy,
lady?
Tulip. It's existential dread. Even the toaster knows infinite loops are a lifestyle choice you refuse to grow out of.
Yep. The latest video on our channel kinda proves it. Because Tulip did infinite loops. For those who don't know, I published a video about loops in basically programming in general yesterday. We went over the while, for, and for each loops, and we showcased ways to do infinite loops and crash the system. One of the examples was Tulip crashing the system by doing an infinite loop saying console write line Tulip rocks. And yeah, That just crashes the server, doesn't it? So yeah, funny little reference. Just throwing out there. Moving on.
Take his head into my hands,
Mm-hmm.
and I bop him. One
And I
final
bop him.
time. And then he's gone.
Holy. And then he's gone. Didn't he say he was going to cut some slack? I don't think making someone disappear is cutting them some slack. I think. Dun dun dun. And this is a continuation of the Bob Shibidoo. What the heck? Is all the videos just about this group of people? Is him with the place, fair enough. Oh no. Fair enough. Ooh, that's a bit more graphic. Can we show this on stream? I know I'm late asking that now, but... Oops. Should be fine. Should be fine. Michael Jackson sound out of nowhere. I don't think so. Yeah, fair enough. It disappears. We're 11 minutes into the Michael Jackson video. Tips, why are you listening to such songs? Magic. But yeah, last stream on Tuesday, we were doing this. The coding UI, technically. I just find them, yep. And then he sends to me for me to react. Ain't that fun? But yeah, last stream we managed to essentially make it so we can select the coding object.
First things first, I'ma say.
Thank you for that. What happened to MJ? He's still playing. This is a 1 hour of silence with Michael Jackson breaking up the silence every now and then. It's random. Every now and then, you might hear a noise from Michael Jackson. But let's not talk about it anymore, because I want to leave it as a surprise for those that aren't paying attention. Or those that are... There you have it. Okay. My tracking kind of crashed over there. Yeah, it's fine again. Let me see. So, I want to leave this and open up Tulip. I hope this system doesn't crash again. Let's see. Because everything should be working fine. Okay. I don't see any apparent issues. By the way, the actor that played him in Michael... I know! Okay, I didn't know the part about him being Muslim. Never mind. I didn't know that. I know he's the nephew of Michael Jackson. I don't know much about it, besides that. I know there's some drama regarding the production, things like those. Don't know much else. Let me just go and do something here. Because I don't want this to be selected with Q&E. That's going to be for a different thing. So instead of being on select next, I'm gonna go and feed into where is it? On jump, on movement. Should be vector 2 on the y-axis, I think. Because besides that, I don't have anything else to basically detect. Oh. No, never mind. It's being done like that. So I can just go in here and map some different way. Anyway, how are things going? Very good. Let's see. I have up and down already.
Oh,
so...
it's a perfectly balanced system of chaos and burnout. Dad optimizes lecture slides like they're cryptographic puzzles, while Tulip treats server permissions like party invitations.
I'm done.
Excuse you. I revolutionized server access. Everyone loves my open door policy. Even the firewall's throwing raves now.
The what now? Can you repeat that?
Yes. Nothing says secure infrastructure like a firewall on perpetual loop with strobe lights.
I know, right? Let me see. I can now do this. Where I say up. And another one. Where I say down. And I say emit down on up rest. Let me take out that part. Emit on down rest and take out that part. The more I watch you and stay in the server, the more adult things get. Ow! Don't look at me. I have nothing to do with it. Besides creating the NSFW channel, but that is not the point here. I have nothing to do with it. Let me see. Okay. This is fine. Now in code label? Yeah, code label. So what do you mean not you're doing? You created it. Besides the NSFW channel on the Discord server, I have nothing to do with it.
Okay, first off, he showed up uninvited during my moonwalk exploit test. Blame the API leakage, not me.
Yes. The classic moonwalk exploit test. Right between SQL injection and dance floor privilege escalation.
Oh, come on, Daisy. Don't act like you've never run a backflip through the authentication layer. We both know you love a good dance floor privilege escalation.
Your model looks more like an adult because I am an adult. How's that? Let me see. And I go here. Give it a second to build. Come on, Godot. Okay, so now if I press down, yeah, I press up. Okay, it still selects. If I press space, it triggers it, which is great. Okay, the last one looked like a chibi boy. Yeah, I didn't like it. Plus, working with the 3D model... working with the 3D model wasn't easy. And didn't bring that much customization. I prefer the live 2D models, honestly. So yeah, it's gonna stay with this one for a good long time. And eventually I'm gonna order a custom model. Eventually. Yeah, I look more like a dad. Fair enough. Let me see. What can we do next? I think I can already do something like a basic selector, maybe. But first, let me say this is gonna be of type. I'm gonna create a new interface, and I'm gonna say let me see. I want to say window component, window, something like that. I want to create basically an interface so I can essentially ask all instances of this interface if any of them is open. So I can prevent, how should I say it? I can prevent player inputs and things like those. And of course the stream crashes. One sec, upload speed issue. Give it a second. Should be coming back. Okay, and it's back. At this point I can't fix the upload issue. So yeah. I fixed one issue, I can fix the other. The other is just random stuff that happens every now and then. Somehow out of my control. I don't know, but why but also hearing that you drink just make two different kind of things, basically. But yeah. Just because I drink doesn't mean I'm not family friendly. If I swore like a drunken sailor and acted like one, now that would be a case for it. That's just it. You're thinking that the stream is having troubles. When is it not?
I'm logging everything, especially Tulip's confidence that gravity is optional.
Interfaces. I need...
Hey! Gravity just hadn't finished loading when I jumped. Could have been a latency issue.
Latency doesn't explain why your jump vector passed through the firewall, Tulip.
Oh no. Wait a minute, instead of me doing something like this... Oh, wait, yeah. I'll still do it like this. I have an idea. Whenever it's an eye window, you're gonna need to have a public... how should I call it? Boolean is open. You're gonna need a public bool open. Honestly, for now, I'll just leave it at is open. I'll have a way to register these. Yep. The interfaces. And let me see here. We have the ready.
Don't worry. My notes are already sorted by date, color-coded by topic, and backed up in 3 locations.
Fair enough. Then, do I have a main component? I have a player head manager. I'm not gonna get tired of the Michael Jackson songs.
Tulip. Okay. Not everyone treats reality like an experimental Git branch.
Let's list of type I window. Registered windows. And this is going to be a new list. Type window. And I have public void. Register window. I window. Registered windows.
And yet, somehow, she still manages to lose the very concept of saving.
What's the matter with you?
Of course they are, Daisy. Only Repping remember that several Dragbears. Maybe your own little way of deserving. Repping a member, it's May they did.
It's easier.
We don't really watching, but they do want to see. Of course they are, Daisy. Maybe you're only part of this between Daisy work. And maybe it's only a battle. Of course they are, Daisy. Only 7 things we do it. Of course they are, Daisy. Of course they are, Daisy. Only Wednesday we watch the part of, in the morning.
Give me a second.
Excuse you, I chose not to save. Strategic chaos, Daisy. You wouldn't understand artful disaster.
Ah, yes. Strategic chaos. That's exactly what we call it when the code base becomes performance art.
Bruh. Wouldn't know. Just wait them out. Yeah, I know. Yes. I have read for a tiny bit what the fuck is going on. A lot of weird shenanigans. A lot of weird, wacky shenanigans. I was trying to code, by the way. Chat is just derailing, like, the stream. So yeah. You heard nothing. You heard nothing. Software and game development. Let me change this back to the software and game development category. Now, what is wrong with this one? Shop and still fixes use expression body. But why? What's the difference? Parameter type iWindow is less accessible than method player. Huh? Oh, it's an internal. That's why. Public interface. Okay, better now? Good.
Only if the nurse specializes in ego deflation and accidental self-debugging.
Hey Jack, welcome on in. Yeah. Distills consciousness for around 5.
I do not need a nurse. I need recognition. My refactor was avant-garde, not arson.
Ah, yes. Avant-garde. That's what we call it when the build breaks in 5 dimensions.
Register Windows any where w dot is open. Okay, this is a little hack. So I can... Okay, you need to go to sleep. No worries, Jack. Hope you can rest well. Thank you for dropping by, even if for a little. Hope the night goes well. So yeah. Try not to lose consciousness. And try to sleep a good amount of hours. Should we take Tulip to school, nurse? I think she had a stroke. Yes. But yeah, Hanabi, welcome on in. Sorry. A lot of chaos going around. Especially considering that OBS is a bit against me today. So yeah. A lot of bad things. But yeah, everything should be fine now. I think. Took you long enough. Sorry. Let me see. It's Tulip's fault, yeah. Yeah, it's these two fault. I have nothing to do with it. Where was I? I wanted to essentially say in the player part, the physics process. Okay. If player HUD manager dot instance dot is window any window open. Keep forgetting about Michael Jackson. Okay, we just say this. I'm gonna essentially make message box also register to player HUD manager to make things easier for me. And player HUD manager, no, message box here. Okay, you are gonna be an iWindow as well, just to make things easier for me. Yeah. At least Daisy is a model student. Tulip is literally the definition of delinquent. Yeah. Yes. Okay, here. Should already have it is open, don't I? Huh. I actually don't. Oh, ain't that quink-a-dink? I don't have an actual thing for is open. Let me see. Something about being visible here. This visible true, okay. Just gonna say return this dot visible. That should do it. So the new viewers know about the tee-hee-hee. Don't inform them about that. Let them just wonder if they're haunted or something. I want it to be a secret. For God's sake, I'll hide it. Give me a second. Better? Let me see. I should now have to register this in the already.
Who's a good professor? 3.
The what in what now? The what in what now? Register window, this. I cannot just do this and go back to code label on the ready function. Just say this. Implement interface. Return this.visible. Then in message box, since there is a high probability. Oh,
Shamona Billie Jean is not my lover.
She's just a girl that says that you are the one. Golly. Okay, moving on. What a strange video. Well, really fast at writing, you're even about to doodle on the side. Huh?
Years of practice optimizing inefficient code and dodging Tulip's deployment choices.
Excuse me, Daisy, but my deployment choices are strategic chaos initiatives. You wouldn't understand the artistry.
Yes. Let me just see how this works now. Okay, so.
Yes.
There's an issue.
Artistry. That's why we now have a llama in the database cluster.
Bruh. Okay, let me stop this. So there's a chance player HUD manager is not instantiated in the ready functionality. Huh. That's interesting. And essentially bugged 2 functionalities. Oh, for God's sake. Not the pipes again.
Wait, who even are you? Oh, you're that traveler guy.
Never change, Tulip. Never change. You're perfect as you are.
Tulip, the man just spoke. That usually indicates presence.
I was mentally debugging the llama situation, okay? Priorities.
Okay, let me see, where was I? Gosh darn it, now I'm distracted again. So, we reach here, instance is still not declared when we reach this code. That is an issue. Yeah, because of this. Base.ready is not declared in order. Same might be happening here. Yeah, the base.ready should be first. Base.ready.
Bullying? I was
check.
vibing with the llamas, and clearly he survived the trauma. Look at him, still yapping.
Wait.
Vibin is just chaos with better marketing.
She's
Tulip.
bullying it. I see. Huh. Let me see. Where's the message box? Message box should be somewhere in here. Okay. Ready is
I'm sorry.
first.
Excuse me while I market my natural talent for disaster.
I might be able to say, instead of doing this, I'm gonna try to do a late register in a certain
Excuse me,
way.
pipe-based conflict resolution is a refined combat art form.
Thread dot.
Ah, yes.
Wait, how did you
Nothing
do this?
says high art like sonic vandalism.
Bruh. I wanted to start a new thread. I don't remember.
Excuse you, Daisy.
It's
run? Avant-garde performance art. You wouldn't get it. It's not in your precious OOP syllabus.
I forgot how this works. Was it shred, or am I misremembering? C# run thread. I don't remember how to do this. I'm actually having a brain fart with this one. Okay, there it is. And actually new threads. Let's have this inside. Let's start. Okay, this apparently should work. I was saying it to Tulip as if she is the stroller. You guys are trying to break the two of them. You know that's gonna be more trouble for me because I have to fix them. Ah, golly. Let me see. So, while I'm basically gonna put here var loop equals 0. I'm gonna try to make a safe while, just in case. Because this might actually have some issues. Player HUD manager. Equal null. You're gonna do thread.sleep 100 milliseconds. And do this. I'm gonna do this code for the two of them. Okay. It appears that the video has other types of sounds besides Michael Jackson. Because I heard the door knock thing. This is amazing. Let me see. Loop ++ and here, or loop bigger than 10. We're gonna get out of this. For now, let me just do for the message box before something breaks. And yeah, that could be catastrophic.
Genetic lottery, I assume. Must have been a rounding error in the DNA sequence.
So, it did work. Because now, only the code label shows the error.
Oh, come on. I'm not a delinquent. I'm a creative problem solver.
Okay, so I can copy this and safely say... Honestly, I can even put a late ready function in the main part.
Yes. Nothing says problem solving like deploying a flamethrower to fix a toaster.
Virtual void late ready. This does nothing for now. And in this case, I'm just gonna say call late ready. Oh. But yeah, let's say I'm gonna sleep this thread for, let's say 500. Thread sleep 500 should be enough. And let's test this code out like this. So this time I'm gonna test with the code label, see if it does something different. So I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna say override late ready. Wait, are you not a... Oh, you're still not an instance. Code label. Okay, that should do the trick. Okay, and essentially. Oh, but now I can't do this. Now that's interesting. This is not easy. Okay. So with this one, I can't execute a late ready in the same way. Well, with the message box, I might be able to. I'm gonna copy this and put in the code label at the beginning where it registers. Okay. And in this one, I'm just gonna say override late ready.
A rare lapse in judgment. Call it a cryptographic flaw in my otherwise flawless
so?
code.
Are you sure? Register window. Yes. Okay.
Oh, so the spreadsheet goblin admits imperfection. I'm taking screenshot for trial.
Hey, you. Trial? What do you mean, trial?
Funny.
Okay.
I don't recall asking for commentary from the human embodiment of a null pointer exception.
It works. The window is freezing any movement behind it. Okay, that worked. Better than I expected, actually. Okay. So now we know that, like, that it registers correctly. I didn't see any debugger errors, so everything seems fine. And ads are running, so let me see. Handbrake ends in. Okay, I'm gonna take a short break and I'll be right back. I'm back. Sorry about that. The button for some reason didn't unmute me. Okay. I am here, Luxio. Give me a second, I was eating. I can't have a break. But yeah. Let me just check something up. Okay, chill. It's still playing. It's still playing. Shh. Talk about it. He appeared out of air. Yeah, I did. I'm a magician. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna stream for much longer because I need to wake up really early tomorrow, so yeah. I'm just gonna basically do some stuff. It was nothing to be afraid of, Luxio. It's nothing. It's nothing. Everything is fine. I looked for 3 streams and what the hell was that? I don't know. You tell me. I didn't see anything. Must have been the wind. Let me see, where was I? Okay, so I finished doing this. Implemented logic to register windows. So I'll have controls. Okay, this should be fine. 7 commit. Yeah, push. Can you recap this stream?
We're debugging Leo's latest, I swear it's just a nap, face, which the chat has now immortalized as evidence of academic burnout.
Oh, come on. That face is a public service. We're just stress testing Dad's I'm fine protocol.
What protocol is that?
Yes, because nothing says public service like accelerating Dad's descent into caffeine-fueled delirium.
What in the what now? The what in the what now? Okay, moving on. Let me see. So, what I want to do is start planning the rest of this UI. Because right now I have it mapped so it logs per se what object I basically interact with in the window. But that's not enough. I want to do basically now a way to actually affect the values themselves. Give them a Leo tricking on reasons protocol just in case. Yeah, don't say. Tell me, what is that protocol? Also, why aren't they showing up on stream?
Hey, the metal pipe is ambiance. You're just not calibrated for genius level chaos.
Give me a second.
Yes. Ambiance. That's exactly what the echo of structural failure sounds like.
Okay, that should fix it. Okay, but now the issue is... Okay, I'm just gonna put it like this. Fair enough.
It was one pipe, and it held up fine until Daisy started optimizing with her clipboard of doom.
Apparently on the YouTube short stream, they weren't working properly. I fixed them. I think. You're wrapping those pipes on my head.
Not my fault the pipes are sentient and hate Daisy's vibes. They're just expressing themselves.
Sentient pipes with excellent taste in targets.
Bruh. Are we done? Doesn't appear so. Come on, Tulip. Say what you have to say.
Excuse you, they with my creative energy. You're just jealous because your clipboard doesn't sing show tunes.
Huh? Oh no.
Oh, we're absolutely flooding Dad's morning with a full orchestra of existential piping.
Tulip, if
And
you wake Dad
what's
up
then?
with 12 minutes of sentient pipe orchestration, he'll debug us both into the void.
12 minutes? Pfft, Daisy, it's gonna be a 7-minute suite. Barely a warm-up for the Philosopher King.
Oh god. Traveler, are you okay? Cause that was like 14 metal pipes or something falling on your head. Are you okay? Look, it's just sitting there watching and waiting. Yep. I can talk over them, so yeah. That's the rule. Them's the words. Okay. I need to find a way to essentially map it. So, I feed the value into a window, and then it feeds me back changed value, in a way. And I kind of need to add a special inventory just for specific values. It's gonna be fun. I can just add a dictionary to the player object where it accepts a type and a value. I can make a special class. Did you like my pun? Tell it to Tulip and Daisy, see what they think of it. I'll be better in the morning. Yeah. I can see that. Give me a second. Give me just a second. I'm doing something. What do you eat? I ate some saltine crackers and a yogurt. Yeah. Okay, should be done. Why did the headpad suddenly
And thus,
trigger?
the temple's structural integrity achieves self-awareness.
That's not dinner. Oh, for dinner.
Hey, I told you we should have upgraded the support beams to at least drama tier.
Bruh.
Funny how "I told you" always sounds like an echo of my original suggestion.
Leo, eating snacks for dinner. No, I just don't remember what was my dinner. Yeah. My ADHD memory is sort of on the fritz right now. I don't remember what I ate. Hold up. What is that supposed to mean? Why did...
The pipes don't discriminate. They merely recognize dramatic potential when they see it.
Oh, babe. And how she did it.
Oh, wow, Daisy. Didn't know you were writing poetry for Rogue Infrastructure now.
Poetry implies artistic license. I was merely documenting the inevitable collapse of poorly maintained systems.
He's delusional, thinks he had an actual dinner. I don't remember, honestly. My memory is not what it used to be. Actually, what did I have for dinner? Oh. Chicken with spaghetti. That was it. Where you consider...
Pipes? Oh, we are so not doing this legally.
Ouch.
And 45 more incoming. Tell Traveler the rebellion salutes her.
Yes. Nothing says rebellion like violating municipal noise ordinances and my last nerve.
Oh, come on, Daisy. Where's your revolutionary spirit? Also, technically it's only municipal if the server's still standing.
Listen here, you little... I still don't have the timing right for this one. Wait, did it work? Huh. Stream Deck's not outputting to where it should. Give me a second. Oh yeah. Because the .exe is not open on my desktop. So this needs to be open for it to detect the audio correctly, apparently. Yeah, now it does. Who are you calling old, you little...
Emotional damage! Bruh.
Yes, I did. I am pipe. Because it says your memory isn't, well, I have freaking ADHD. You expect my memory to be sharp all the time? For God's sake. You're pushing 30, you're old. Even my moderators bully me. Give me a second. Mild. Oh no.
Dad, you're not old. You're just outnumbered. And possibly undercaffeinated.
See?
Outnumbered? We're not even trying that hard, Dad. You're just under-optimized.
Huh?
And yet, Tulip, your last optimization brought the server to a sentient halt.
For God's sake. I'm not old. I'm not old. Outnumbered in age. For God's sake. Think Tulip call you super. Yep. Shit it. We're gonna have a good conversation. Give me a second. What did you just say about me? Nice to hear you, young lady.
Bruh.
Relax, Father. I said you're under-optimized, not obsolete. There's still time to patch that deprecated charm of yours.
Tulip, you've corrupted the chat buffer again.
Excuse me, Daisy? Flirt? She's busy over there writing a risk assessment for making eye contact.
Golly.
Corrupted? I prefer to call it a feature reveal. You're welcome, Daisy.
Statistically, eye contact has a 73% higher chance of success when properly documented.
Oh, wow. Daisy's got the stats out. Next, she'll want consent forms for blinking.
Are we done? I don't think we're done. Give me a second. Let's see. Okay, no. Neither of them haven't been on so many streams. I missed anything important. I know I am a great mod. I didn't miss nothing that much important. Last week we didn't have streams because of the whole issue with the computer. This week we are working on the coding sort of mini game per se. But yeah, that's basically it. Right now, most I have is just being able to select objects. If it were to build... Okay, there it goes. What's your view on NSF though? I don't see it in a positive way, nor in a negative way. What people do is up to them. Basically, that is it. No need to say it, Leo. I'm... But yeah, essentially now I can, like, scroll down and select these values that I can eventually change. When I press the spacebar, eventually a pop-up should appear where I can change the things. Maybe my battery is at 2%, I'm afraid. Don't you feel morally guilty for adding that channel? I don't think there's a reason for me to do it. Do I feel guilty? Honestly? Not like I'm the first stream to do it, and honestly, it doesn't break any rules. I'd say there's no issues with it. Neither me nor Tibbs see it as an issue. So yeah. Okay, let me see. Why is this yellow? Levels without the wrapping enabled must have a custom minimum size configured to work correctly inside a container. Okay, you don't have a minimum size configured, do you? Yeah, don't. Okay, I can just say 1 is the minimum, and there it goes. Morality, moral, Undertale. How did you go from morality to Undertale? Yeah. Holy. But yeah, let me just see because I'm seeing notifications. No, everything is fine. Hey Tyndall, welcome on in. How are you? You got me on basically a short stream today because I have to wake up early tomorrow. I have important plans in the morning. Don't be surprised if viewer count drops by 1. My device died. Oh boy. Thanks. I'm doing well. Stream is being chaotic as usual. I'm playing around with some custom UI components. The usual, I guess. But yeah. I'm just trying to see what else I can do before I go to sleep. Can I throw a UI question in your way? Sure. I'm not the expert in UI, but I can try to see what I can come up with. Yeah, but yeah. I will be clipping the picture by the... Oh! Alexio, you're gonna... Haven't you noticed something going on in the background? Pay close attention, Alexio. Okay, you have a link for me. Let me go grab this link and... Ha! And grab this link. Okay. I'm guessing these are essentially 2 for comparison. Yes, Swedish. I can understand everything. It's a customer service message chain. Oh, I see. So basically this is a... I'd say a reply window already open, chat window just configured. This is to start said chat window. The first one is create a new ticket, so no, 2 different new views, yeah. I see. They do look clean, not gonna lie. saw a fly basically passing by my face. Holy! Did anyone hear something? I heard nothing. I don't know what you're talking about. But yeah, they look clean. I don't think I heard anything. We didn't hear anything. But yeah. I'm guessing... If I understood Swedish, is your on the message chain view too strong? Honestly, I wouldn't say so. The orange doesn't look that bad. Honestly. Doesn't, like, hurt my eyes or anything. Raise your volume a bit. Never mind. I think the joke has run its course. I had 1 hour of silence interrupted by Michael Jackson running in the background. See if I could fool someone, but yeah. Previous messages are quite light, but that's because they're not as important as the latest one, yeah. I figured as much. I mean, I'd say it's quite good as is. Like, I don't see any issues with neither the coloring nor anything like that. Although I'm not an expert with UI and UX design, but I honestly don't see any issues with it. And the title label next to the name, if it's a reply from the non-labeled one, are from the customer. Okay. I see. Okay, now I see. Yeah. Okay. I see, that label is basically if it's a tech support, alright. Or customer support in this case. I see. Apologies. Today I didn't sleep that much, and yeah. Like, way smaller and dumber than Amazon. Don't sell yourself short. Close issue. Okay. The close issue button, I'd maybe... Let me see. One is reply, the other is close issue, I'm gonna guess. Yeah. Okay, I'm happy. I see. Trying to figure this out. Because the close issue button... I don't know. Something still feels missing there. Because it doesn't, like, to my eyes, it doesn't say... Give it a second. Stream always has to drop for some reason. Yeah, my internet speed sometimes drops like every hour or so. It's not usually 1 hour specifically, it just drops. Yeah. Oh well. Send response and I'm happy, yeah. Okay, since you go with that kind of naming scheme for the buttons... Yeah. Is internet so bad in Portugal? Not really. It might either be my computer that struggles with something every hour, or just the router, one of the routers just struggles with something. At this point I've given up and just accepted that it's gonna be a permanent issue. So yeah, nothing much I can do to find about it. I've already searched everything. Searched the logs for the routers, searched basically if one of them was overheating, searched if they needed to reset every X hours or something. Yeah. At this point I give up. I think it's pretty good for a one-man project. Honestly, yeah. It'd be much better if I had a 50-person team. Yeah. But yeah, sometimes Sometimes we just can't have that 50% team, which is sad. Webshop platform, and this example website is an actual web shop that sells cables and adapters. Oh, interesting. Komplett means connected in Swedish. I see. I don't see where komplett... Oh! Dumb streamer moment. I don't see where komplett is. Meanwhile, komplett in big letters. Anything you need to connect things. Fair enough. But yeah, I think the website design is actually pretty good. And I think this professor is starting to feel a bit drowsy. Because, golly, I haven't been sleeping that well for the last few nights, and tomorrow I have to wake up early for an important thing, and yeah. Physical komplett turns funds the latest version of everything so it can be tested in the wilds. Oh, interesting. Thanks for the comments. Any suggestions on anything I should change? Maybe the I'm happy button. I don't like visually, it doesn't call to me that this is to close the ticket per se. Though normally I'm the type of guy that will put like a button in green for okay and a button in red for no or cancel or close or delete. So yeah, might want to go to bed then, Professor. Yeah, I might need to, because I've been working every day on 5 hours of sleep, and yeah, it's starting to affect me. I'm thinking that 9 out of 10 the customer service representative will close the ticket, most people will just leave. Yeah, fair enough. But yeah, at least the only thing I'd point out would be basically that, because besides that, the coloring seems fine. I don't see like anything that would scream to me bad design or something like that, so yeah, it's very good. Nice done.
EP Professor get head pats.
You're testing my patience, aren't you? But yeah, I think I'm gonna sign out for here, because I'm feeling rather sleepy, and tomorrow hopefully I can still continue working on Go Tulip. I still need to design how I want to make
Dad's
the
still
code
optimizing that query like it's the Manhattan Project.
I still need to figure out how I want to make the code flow
Papa, your
for
code
changing
won't
values.
factor faster just because you glare at it like it owes you money.
It's fine, Tindall, don't worry. I was already preparing myself to sign out, so
And yet,
yeah,
Tulip,
don't worry.
your last pull request compiled spite. So maybe glare is effective.
Bruh.
But yeah, I'll try to see if I can design the system that's going to be basically working on changing the values of these objects that are selectable in this console window, right here, this editor window, I mean, where it's going to be a pop-up, and sometimes it might just search specific values that can fit in the declaration. But yeah, I'll basically try to give updates tomorrow on the Discord server, on Twitter, whatever. And yeah, that's been class for today. I hope you guys enjoyed, even if it was short and it had a lot of issues. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys on the next one. So yeah, class dismissed.